Now you have to admit, along with me, we've been a victim of binge watching stuff on our couch for a long time, and usually these binge watching stuff involves a lot of snacking as well. Now, I don't know if this invention is good or bad because it does promote a very lazy behavior, but hey, once in a while we do deserve to take a break, and if we are doing it, might as well do it the right way. I'm talking about an interesting project that I found in Kickstarter, which is a crowdfunding website. It's also the website which you visit in case you are a Chinese manufacturer and you want to steal some creator's idea which hasn't been protected by copyright yet. Many ultra popular ideas like the fidget spinners or selfie sticks came from crowdfunding campaigns on Kickstarter. So yeah, this has potential to be something great. The product is called the Couch Console, a pretty bold name. It's a modular console, kind of a tray, which holds all of your snacks and drinks and maybe your phone or your gaming console controllers. And the best part is that it has this self-balancing cup holder, meaning that even if you tilt this whole thing, the cup holder balances itself. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I can't recall how many times I've spilled my coffee or my chicken soup whenever I'm trying to balance myself on the bed while trying to watch something on my laptop. It has happened to all of us, let's be honest. So this console, as they call it, essentially combines everything together, like your TV remotes, your snacks and everything in one place, so you can essentially be lazy and be productive while doing it. But hey, even if you are going to be a lazy slob all day, might as well not make a mess, right? So it's better to have all the snacks and stuff in one place which you can easily move around and clean than to have all these coffee stains on your sofa which you are regretting now. So it's entirely made of recycled materials like light foam, and if you know anything about foam, you know that it's durable and it's weatherproof. That's why they use foam in all of the packing materials. Like if you have ordered, say, a refrigerator or a TV, you've seen some thick foam around it. The reason why they use foam is because it's pretty resilient to heat, cold, and it lasts a very long time. It's water resistant as well. So this material seems to be recycled foam. I mean, foam is a relatively inert material, so I think it's better than using just high quality thermograde plastic, which will be very expensive, or a low quality plastic which won't last very long. And the reason why they call it a console is because it has a storage compartment as well, meaning that you can keep your phones and power banks inside. And speaking of power bank, it even has a charging port. So I think it has its own built-in battery. I'm not really sure. Let me just check on that. So the USB-C hub which we saw earlier, it takes power from any battery bank that you have. So there's nothing in here. They don't provide you a battery pack on their own. So you can essentially slip in anything that you already have and have it directed outside without having to expose all the cables outside. So if you have something that's capable of delivering high wattage like the Anker 20,000 milliamp hour power bank, which can even charge a laptop, yeah, you can slip that in there and have it work as a charging station. There seems to be a couple of different finishes here, like if you want a wood finish table like thing for your work, there seems to be an option there with a front USB port to charge your laptop and other things. Dimension wise, it's a pretty square box which is 10.5 inch by 10.5 inches and it's 4 inches in thickness. So it has a compartment, as I mentioned, and it even has a small holder which kind of holds your tablets and phones in one place. That's kind of nice. It helps you to organize all of your things in one place and not have them kind of a mess laying around across your couch. Yep, this is the lazy guy's ultimate dream. So yeah, you can back it on Kickstarter. I'll leave a link in the description. You can check it out. There's a detailed article linked with that Kickstarter campaign as well. You will find more details there. I mean, it doesn't look like they need any financial help. They have already crossed their goal of $15,000 with 56 days remaining. They are well over 240k at this point. So yeah, we're definitely going to see this product in the market pretty soon. Ebite Incorporated. This is their first ever campaign and it's a huge success. What do you think? Do you think this will be any good, or is it worth the hype that they're marketing everywhere? Do you think it will be worth it? Let me know if you would buy into this couch console and be a productive lazy person on the couch. I'm thinking I might.
I'm thinking I might.
Okay, that was it. That's just the video. Again, links will be in the description if you want to find out more details. Stay subscribed for more content like this and I'll see you soon. Cheers.